So I'm still doing the Mackay, Idaho mine tour, and there's a better view of the Mackay town site. I decided to show you guys this. This is the main tram tower. This is where everything came in and then was loaded onto the buckets and went 3¼ miles that way. This is an impressive structure. There's really no easy way to get up. The main road is backfilled with tailings. Little grease bucket there. As I am slipping and sliding. So that looks like it was a pulley of some sort. You see the fine teeth on one side. Oh, there we go. Look at that. That's a brake band. So this was the main drive system here. It went up there. And this is to stop the steam engine. Whoa, I knew that was going to happen. Now, when you do this tour, you can check out the outside of the structures, but some of this stuff is on private property, and they tell you that at the beginning of the road. And these people are kind enough to let us still explore them, but you got to respect and not, like somebody did here, break their way in. This has no mechanical equipment in it anymore anyways. Yeah, this road here, though it looks nice, down at the bottom part, it's filled in with rocks, and there's a gate. Look at the size of these ore bins. And this was collecting material from all the mines on this mountain. Okay, yeah. See, you just got to respect what's going on. Someone's shooting their gun. Yeah, he's been doing a lot of target practice. There's the trestle. this was just a quick glimpse in, what was it, this site. I know this was a very short video, but if you made it to the end, I appreciate you. This gets you excited to do some exploring. Do it. Have fun, be safe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.